Right, I'm gonna go. This is my video bike check. I've got premium bar ends with ODI grips. Got the local bars. Nice bars. Got a Shadow Attack stem. Odyssey headset. Primo strand forks. Got an Odyssey Vandero 2 hub on an Odyssey Hazard Light rim with a Fit Faff in 2.3. We've got a Shadow seat with just a post. It's just pivotal. I got they're basically just a copy of Wellgo pedals, but these ones are called Sanderson, sealed bearing. Primo Holobite cranks in black. We the People Supreme chainring, obviously black. Shadow Conspiracy half link chain. I've then got I'll just bring it out in the light. It's quite dirty at the moment, but don't know if you can see the Odyssey V3 hub on another Hazard Light rim with another Fit Faff in 2.1. Sorry about the mess. And finally we got the Fly Montana frame in grey. And then when I run pegs, I run a G-Spot peg and a Demolition Team peg, and I think that's it.